Hey folks, Josh here with Superior Boat Repair and Sales. Today I'm going to give you a quick walk around on this brand new 2022 Barletta Cabrio 24 UE. This boat's done in a beautiful champagne and black diamond color scheme with the blackout kit. You see that nice little glitter effect in the black diamond. Sorry about the stumble there. We did option this boat with the dual Bimini tops. Both of those are power. Give you really nice coverage on this boat. We did the tandem axle trailer by Boatmate. It's got that really nice bow ladder to get up in and out of the boat. See, this is optioned with the Toon, so you got the full Toon package. Everything's all underskirted. Great way to protect that deck. We did option this boat with the Mercury 200. All right, I'll take you up inside and we'll show you the interior. All right, we'll start up front here, up in the bow. You got the dual loungers. Plenty of space for people to sit up here and stretch out. You have that bow entry. See, these have those awesome pull down armrests. Do have nice trash can access there. Storage underneath all these compartments. Just really great upholstery package on these Cabrios. See the two-tone inserts. This is perforated to help it breathe. Cruise on back here to the main portion of the boat. See, on the port side, this is your entertainer package. So you got these cool little bar seats here. Nice table with cup holders. And then this seat's awesome. So you can be facing forward. Slide this guy back. Now you've got seating for 4 up at the bar. You do have that port side entry with the doggy view. All right, taking a look over here at the helm. Got that high back helm seat, those pull down armrests. Just a great layout. Got this nice little countertop here for doing some preparing. Another storage for trash can access there. And then part of this package is the U, so the Ultra Lounge. See, this one can be set up in multiple different configurations. I can slide this guy back. That makes it so that somebody can lounge out over here on this side and then sit really nice and comfortably over here. Again, storage underneath all of these. It's got this really nice, huge walk-through transom over here to access the back. One of those things that Barletta is known for is these extended platforms. Gives you a lot of space to work for jumping off, moving people around. Give you one more look here on the interior. Just a really great setup. Give you one last look here at the exterior. If you want to come down, take a look at this boat, come on down to Superior Boat Repair and Sales, or give us a call at 916-638-3382. We'd love to hear from you. Come on down, take a look at this beautiful boat. Thanks for watching.